Douglas County in north central Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Winston, or near Douglasville, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Douglasville, Villa Rica, Winston, Lake Val-du-Marche, Billharp, and Fairplay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.